Do people often say you have a great voice? Would you love to start working as a voiceover, but don't know where to start? Are you lacking in experience and have lots of questions? This is why we, at Into VoiceOver, Europe's leading voice agency, have founded the VoiceOver Academy. We help aspiring voiceovers, just like you, to get started with the highest chances of success. Since 1998, we have been working for clients such as Disney, Google, Coca-Cola, IKEA, McDonald's, and many other well-known brands. As a leader in our field, we know what your future clients are looking for and the challenges you may face. The VoiceOver Academy is the only international voiceover training program that's part of a voice agency. You would benefit from gaining access to the thousands of voice bookings we achieve each year. You'll learn from experienced voiceovers with years of experience. Our workshops are interactive, practical, and above all, lots of fun. Our unique traineeship program gives aspiring voiceovers, like you, the possibility to learn on the job while being paid. You'll gain experience and will build up a portfolio of voice demos to skyrocket your career. No other voiceover training program gives you this unique opportunity. Would you like to know whether voiceover is for you? Our half-day voiceover introduction workshop will let you discover, for a low price, what it takes and how to get started. If you have the talent and you love doing voiceovers, we can help you grow and progress with follow-up workshops concluding in you recording your own professional voice demo. What are you waiting for? Buy tickets now and start a new fun career today.